Hi everybody, my name is Joseph Bertoni. I am a real estate agent from Toronto, Ontario, Canada. If you don't know where Canada is, it's about to be the 51st state. What I'm going to be doing today is looking through the market stats for December 2024 and for all of 2024, just to see what the market trends are in real estate, keep you informed here. And that's what this channel is all about. Entertainment, keeping you informed and looking like a millennial Gen Z streamer at the same time. For those of you who don't know, this is Henry. Henry is a stuffed penguin that's wearing Toronto Maple Leafs gear. So you know exactly what city I'm from, you know exactly what team I root for, and you know exactly how insane I must be. I cheer for the wrong team. Somehow they pull off a cup this year and scratch everything I just said. So now that we're cleared up that I'm a diehard Leafs fan, here we go. It's really easy to look up these stats. Got TREB Market Update 2024. TREB is Toronto Regional Real Estate Board. You will click on this link and this link will take you to Market Watch. This is what it looks like. It's a bunch of numbers that honestly nobody really wants to dissect these numbers. What you want to do is follow me on Instagram because I post a graphic like this every single month. I post up. Hold on, I'm moving this over. I'm just getting used to OBS. Forgive me. I'm very stupid. Every month I post this graphic on my stories. Market report December 2024. Plain English, the average selling price for 2024 was $1,067,186. So it's a 1.6% lower than December 2023. You can see that the market trend right now is going downwards, which is a good thing if you want to afford to live in a house in Toronto or in the greater Toronto area. Average selling price of a detached home. So that a detached home is a home that's not attached to anything, obviously. Basic single family home, white picket fence, the American dream, that's what you're looking at. $1.4 million, down 1.3% from December 2023, which is fantastic. Then you have your semi-detached. So a semi-detached home, two homes smashed together, and a semi-detached home is up 6% from December 2023. So you have $1,088,000. The average selling price of a townhome is $1,015,465. I know I'm not saying these numbers right. Please don't kill me in the comments. Don't kill me in the comments. I don't care. Up from December 2023, 1.7%. So you're seeing that so far our semi-detached and our townhome, these type of properties are very popular. The average selling price is up. It's a really good thing that you're seeing these kind of prices. Good for sellers, not so much for buyers. Here's the one that I wanted to talk about, condos. Now condos have been performing terribly over the last year in 2024. The average condo apartment, 600,081. It's up 0.1% from 2023 in December 2023, my bad. If you're a first-time home buyer or want to get into the investment of real estate, I suggest that you go into a condo first. Way more affordable to get into a condo. Interest rates right now are pretty decent. We could even look up the interest rates right here. Hold on. All right, so if you've ever been on Rate Hub, it's a pretty good tool just to see kind of where you're at. What I do a lot with my clients, my first-time home buyers especially, send them to a mortgage specialist that's going to let them know the raw numbers, how much they can afford, and it gives us a better jump-off point to see where we can actually start looking and be realistic, or even build a plan for the future, because some people are not happy with the numbers. Some people just can't afford right now to get into a home. Make sure that they're, you know, in a year or 2 years, whatever their timeline is, they could actually afford to get into a home and pay for that property very comfortably. I don't like shoving people in properties that they can't afford. I'm not that type of realtor. There's a lot of realtors like that, but I'm not one of those guys. So if you're looking at mortgage payment calculator now, let's say you buy a condo for $600,000. What you're looking at here is pretty decent rate. So for a 25-year amortization, 4.04 for the mortgage rate. We can look at other rates here. The big six banks are going to be looking at 4.14, Desjardins 4.2, CanWise 4.39. So I mean, you're getting a pretty good rate. You're going to be locking in. If you're a first-time home buyer or somebody that needs some stability in your life, I do suggest that you get a fixed rate rather than a variable. It's going to help you in the long run. So jumping back in, so let's jump back into our stats here. Let's make it very easy. So going into the monthly statistics of 2024. So month by month, this is what how 2024 performed. Just so you have context of what's happening, sales and average price. So we go down to 2024. January started off decently strong. Just over $1 million was your average price. February, March, April, May, June, July, those months there are the strongest months here. Interest rates were starting to come down a little bit. Going into these months, they're also very hot months in general. Then you have August, where people are on vacation. September, October, November, and December. Most people start taking their vacations in December, and then they kind of end them off in January. So as you can see, it was a very steady year for real estate. In years past, this is 2023. Again, slow start in January right here, 3,000, and then you had February, March, April, May, June, July, again, all hot months. But March to June was your hottest run there. When you're looking at year over year, 2023, 65 to 2024, 67, you have a lot more of an active market, which is a good sign. It's a really healthy sign for real estate right now. So again, that's what the year over year looks like, and month by month looks like as well. So Joseph, what does this all mean? What are all of these numbers trying to say? What these numbers are trying to say is there's still activity happening. There's still sales happening. The market is regulating again. You're going to have a steady stream of people buying and selling. You're not going to have a spike like you did in 2022 where the market went absolutely crazy. When you're thinking about real estate, what I want you to think about is this. It's a long-term investment. You're not going to have real estate perform like the stock market like it did in 2022. It's an anomaly. It was an oversight by the government of Canada to lower interest rates like that. Right now, or 2 years ago, when you had all the interest rates hikes, the government of Canada trying to overcorrect. So what you really want to focus on here is thinking about real estate as a long-term investment again. In Canada, real estate is one of your safest bets in terms of an investment. Our economy thrives and depends on real estate succeeding, but you have to think about it long term. It's like a life insurance policy. The longer you hold it, the more money accumulates, and you could actually use that money to help leverage yourself into another investment in the future. So again, think about it like a long-term thing. Don't think about it like a quick buck. If you're flipping and investing that way, we could talk about that. It's a little bit faster to make money when you flip, but again, you're still thinking about the long term. You're still thinking about you need a lot of capital to start. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or any questions, feel free to comment down below. I will be doing educational videos like this, and I will also be doing some pretty entertaining day in the life videos. So stay tuned and hit the subscribe, click like if you really want to see that content. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Take care. Peace.